Alright, since I got the fuel injectors out, take a baby bottle and then I just put my injectors in there. Like so. And take just some Hoppe's number 9 gun bore cleaner. Stuff works really well cleaning the injectors. I just take a little bit of this. Just enough to cover it up. Screw the lid on there. And just take them around. It's already changing color. And then I'll let them sit in this for about 24 hours before I do the next step to them. Alright, here's the next step of cleaning the fuel injectors on the engine. After letting them sit for about 30 hours, take it. I'm gonna grab them and set them all in here. This ultrasonic cleaner. Finish up the next process. Alright, I got them in the ultrasonic cleaner. Sitting at, I got the temperature set for 50 degrees Celsius. So they'll get up in temperature and vibrate them and clean them out pretty well. And then we'll show you a finished product here in just a little bit. Alright guys, I just pulled out these fuel injectors after sitting for about 45 minutes. Look at how much cleaner these things are. The insides are nice and pretty. It's Hoppe number 9 with the ultrasonic cleaner. Does very well. Here's the water, or the hoppers, I mean. Okay, we're ready for the next step. I'm gonna open this up, and what I'm gonna do is take these out one by one. I got my air hose here. What I'm gonna do is just stick the air hose into the tip right here and just dry them out, shoot air through them until they dry out, and then stick them to the side right here, and they'll be ready to reinstall. Alright guys, here's my final product after cleaning them. Nice clean injectors. I don't know if you can see the inside right there, but it is super clean down in there. You can see light all the way through it, so that's good. See light through that one. All nice and clean. Takes about 3 hours to do. Alright, we're going to be reinstalling the fuel injectors now. I got number 4 right here. It's labeled by the 4 little pin dots. I'll take it. There's going to be a little bit of a booger to get in. Alright, the torque setting for these fuel injectors is 5 foot-pounds. Ain't much. So, put this on here. Get them screwed down the rest of the way.